So today I'm going to show you how to make a beautiful website banner video on your phone in a dental office. So you can turn your website from something like this to this. With this video and a homepage welcome video, this business saw a huge increase in customers and already made thousands of dollars more within the first 2 months. Stay tuned to the end where I give you all the details on how you can do this too. Yuppers! I'm Patricia Calicani, an Emmy Award winner showing you how to make amazing videos so your business can make more money. Be sure to subscribe and hit the bell. So right now I am at my sister's dental office, and guys, not just any sister, but my twin sister.
Hi.
So much fun. So she asked me to make a banner video for her website, and I thought, hey, why don't I show you how to do the same so that you can have a beautiful video on your gorgeous website. So let's dive right in. The first step when making a banner video before you even push record is to define your business theme or tagline, because that is what you'll want to show. So my sister's tagline is giving you the most relaxing dental experience, something that her and her team are amazing at doing. Next, you'll want to form your shot list. This is where you write down the things you want to film on video. Okay, so in my sister's case, we want to make sure that we highlight and feature what makes this dental office a relaxing experience. So we're going to get video of the comfort menu and the movie list and someone watching a movie and the essential oils, all of that stuff that makes this place truly unique and relaxing. And number 3, before we start filming, is to declutter. So you want to clean up your space, organize it, take away anything that really clutters up your shot, and that way you can beautify your image. All right, now we are ready to film. So since this banner video is all about that relaxing experience, we want to get silky smooth shots. So I'm going to turn my phone to the slow motion mode, and I'm going to move as steady as possible to add some motion to these shots. Otherwise, if I just stayed still, it would look like a slideshow of pictures, and I don't want that. Okay, so in order to get silky smooth shots with your iPhone, I like to use what I call the T-Rex technique, because you kind of look like one. And what you do is you tuck in your arms against yourself and move yourself in one motion from the waist. You can watch this video up here to see other poses like what I call the strap stance and the proposal pose. And before we push that record button, we want to adjust the exposure. This is how dark or how bright the image is. So just tap your finger on the screen. If you leave it there for about 2 seconds, it'll automatically adjust exposure. Or you can tap it, drag it up or down, and that'll make it darker or lighter. So it's also important to get a variety of shots as far as wide shots, medium, and close-up shots. All right, now that we have the shots, we are ready to edit this. So banner videos are really simple to make because you don't have to worry about audio since there isn't gonna be any audio. Alrighty, so if you have an iPhone, go ahead, you can just use iMovie. If you have like an Android or something, there are tons of apps and they all work in a really similar way. So I'm just gonna click on iMovie and then click the plus sign for a new project and then click on movie and then click media right here and video. And I already went through and favorited the video clips that I can use. And so, let's see here they are. So I'm just gonna add these. So you click on that clip and then the check mark. And if you want, you can watch them by pushing the play button, the triangle, but since I had already favorited these, I know that I wanna use them and it just makes the process faster. So there's that. And then click down here, create movie. And there you go, it automatically puts it into a sequence here. And basically we want to shorten this, so we want to clip the in and out points. So let's see here, I'll bring it in at about here. So tap on the clip like that, and then to cut the first part off, like I want to cut it where that line is, you just drag it over at about there, and then we can select the out point. And let's make the out point about right there. So click on it, right there. And then as far as the audio, we don't want any audio. So we're gonna, let me show you again how to do that. So you click on the clip and then hit the audio, it's that little sound icon, and then just drag it all the way down, and that way there won't be any audio. And this right here is a transition. So we don't want any transitions for these. So you're gonna click this one that says none, and then let's go ahead and click on this video. And you can also trim the clips in a different way. So you can click on the scissors icon and then click on not detach, that detaches the audio from the clip. You wanna click on split, and then just delete that clip that you don't want. And in some ways, editing this way can be easier as well. All right, so I went through all the clips and trimmed out the parts that I don't want. And actually, I'm going to delete that clip just because this whole video is a little long. It's actually at about 40 seconds. So we'll delete that, and that way it'll shorten this video. To export it, you're gonna hit done up here. And then you're going to click on this icon with the square and the arrow. And we're going to click on save video. Now on an iPhone, you can also, of course, airdrop it to your computer or whatever Apple device you have. But for this, we're just gonna click on save video, and that'll save it to our video files. Click on 1080p just so you have the best quality there, at least the best option. All right, so here's her website in Squarespace. So I went ahead, I uploaded the video to Vimeo. Of course, you can upload it to really anything, YouTube, whatever. And then I went ahead and put in the link in right here in the banner section. And we also switched up our template. So it just makes a world of difference. So if we go to her website, this is what it looks like. And the goal for this banner video or background video is to evoke an emotion from the viewer, the ideal customer, of I want this. That is exactly what I want, or I want to go there and experience this place. That's what your goal is for this. You want to draw them into your business. You want to have them feel the emotions that you want them to feel, so they really connect with you or your business. That really drives them to be your customer. And the exciting thing is that once we changed her website from this, which is an older style, it's very stagnant, it's boring, it doesn't really showcase the theme of her dental office. Once we changed her website to this, and we added a welcome video, so a homepage video where she actually welcomes her potential patients into her office, immediately she saw an increase of patients. That's an increase of customers, and her business already made thousands of dollars more within the first 2 months. So I created a course to show you how to create a lucrative homepage video so that you can boost your know, like, and trust factor and ultimately win more customers and make more money. And I also have a free training video that walks you through how to film yourself professionally on a phone. Even if you use a fancy camera like a DSLR, this would also be helpful because I go through step by step how to light yourself 3 different ways, how to create a film set in any location, and the list goes on. The link to the free training video is below, and I can't wait to see you there. If this video was helpful, I would love it if you subscribed to my channel and clicked that thumbs up. And I want to hear from you. Tell me what your business is and share your website after you post that banner video. I would love to check it out. Your business makes a positive impact in this world, so smile with confidence and push record to make an even bigger impact with video.